everyone, this is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring, and today I'm doing a carpet stretching repair job and carpet cleaning in Orangevale, California. And at this job, I think they didn't have a water damage, they're just doing a bathroom remodel. So what we're going to do is stretch the carpet back into place, install new tack strip, and just get everything nice and tight and cleaned up for the customer. And here you can see we already have our pre-spray down, we agitated, and we're just doing our truck-mounted carpet cleaning rinse. And that right there is already quite the difference between the dirty old carpet and just clean and restored carpet fibers. And this type of carpet is actually a frieze or a twist. And the way it's made is that the carpets are so tightly twisted together. And the way I like to explain it to my customers is it's like a flower that hasn't bloomed yet. It's just, stuck straight. And over time, when it blooms, it blooms out, it spreads out, and that's how this carpet is. Once you walk on it and you give it a lot of foot traffic, the carpet fibers untwist, they unravel, and that's what makes the appearance look so dingy. And plus, just foot traffic with this type of carpet just makes the carpet look much darker. So I wouldn't recommend a frieze or twist carpet if you have a lot of foot traffic, unless you're using a very high quality carpet like a nylon or something else. But I would never recommend a frieze polyester polypropylene carpet in any home, just because it will not last at all, and it's going to be horrific in a couple of months, if not less than a year. So thanks for watching. That's just a quick job I was at today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.